Hi guys, I'm Karen Cavett. Welcome back to HGTV Handmade. Today we are making magnetic bookmarks that look really cute, don't damage your books, and won't fall out in your bag. First up, we're going to make a really simple minimalist bookmark. Cut a rectangle of colorful paper and fold it in half. Then grab two small magnets. Tape one of them to one end of the rectangle. Press down the tape and cut off the excess. Then place the other one on the sticky side of the tape and stick the magnets together. Fold the other half of the paper on top, and the second magnet should now be taped to that side. Once again, cut off the extra tape, and that's it. We've made a really simple, minimal bookmark that will never fall out of your book, no matter how loose the pages get. Now let's take it up a notch and make an arrow so you can remember exactly where on the page you were. Draw an arrow onto scrapbook paper and then fold the paper in half. Cut it out so you have an arrow with a really long tail. Then, just like before, tape your magnets into place. And now you can mark your spot in your book so you can always pick up exactly where you left off. These are really simple and they don't get in the way, so you can bring them with you no matter where you're going. Next, I also wanted to make some fun decorative ones that will look really cute on your desk. To do this, just draw your shape. I'm doing a cactus, but make sure that the fold is on the top of your shape. Cut that out and fold it back the other way so the color is on the outside. Now tape your magnets in place on the bottom. And then, to get rid of this big gap here, use a glue stick to glue the top of the shape together so just the magnets on the bottom can open and close. And that's it. I think this looks so cute, and it's not going to damage your book one bit. So you can get really creative here. I decided to make a whole succulent garden. You can also be playful with it, like I did with this mermaid tail diving into the book pages. Or you can make any shape you like, maybe something as simple as a heart. I think these look so cute on your desk, whether you're actually marking a page, or if you just want to turn your books into decorations. I feel like every time I cut up a book for a DIY, everyone gets so mad. So here you go. This is one where we're not hurting the books at all, we're just making them look even cuter. So I hope you guys liked that project, but if you're still watching the video all the way to the end, I want to know, what was the last book that you read? Tell me what it was called, what it's about, and whether or not you liked it, because I always need new book recommendations. I am so behind on my reading, it's really embarrassing, so give me some new books to read. So make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.